Hi, I'm Jason Walsh with Nev Distributing. I'm here to share with you the stylish and sporty 48-inch Forza range. Forza has provided us with a range that has a very radical design. The Italians love their sports cars, and we have integrated that concept into this range. Forza has an Infinito Grate System. Not only is the infinity sign integrated into the grates, it also, as you can see, allows you to cook across the entire surface of the range. Because of this integrated blow nose, you don't have to worry about scratching your surface of your stainless. Pull the pan across, and there's no challenge of scratching your range. This range features the only single-door gas oven cell in the appliance industry. Not only is it 7.8 cubic feet in size, it also provides a built-in rotisserie. Forza has placed a blue MassimoBlu broiler within the oven cavity. It allows you to roast or bake across the entire surface of the oven cell. If you'd like to test drive the 48-inch Forza range, please visit us at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. They're located in Calabasas, Costa Mesa, Studio City, and Torrance.